Hey guys, Varun here. How you all doing? So in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen in Windows 10 without installing any third-party application or paying for any other services. So this is really easy, but the catch in this is you cannot start recording right from the screen. So that is one thing, right from the desktop. You need some application and that's how the recording will start. So I'll just show you very quickly. So first thing you need to do is you need to go in the start menu and we need to type Xbox. So when you type Xbox, we have this Xbox game bar. In previous Windows version, there was an Xbox application where you needed to make an account and all that, so that was a longer process. Right now in the updated Windows, we have this Xbox game bar option over here, and as soon as you click on this, you will get this beautiful widget menu over here. And as you can see here on the right side, the start recording option is not showing. That's because you are on your desktop and it does not work on the desktop. You need at least some application open where you will have to start recording, because this was made for gaming. So I'll just show you how it works. So as simple as that, like we'll open Chrome, the simplest application if you will, and then now when you go in the Xbox bar game bar option, here you see that the start recording option is there. So when you will click on this, it will start recording. It will show you the timer up over here, and when you click again, only the timer will show and everything which is there on the screen will be recorded. So again, the catch in this is when you are doing any Windows based application work, like opening the start menu and all that, it won't show that. But if you are doing anything on this, you are just typing something and searching it, whatever you're typing and searching, it will show, it will keep on recording, and once you're done, you can just stop the recording, and here we will get the clips which are there. In case this notification does not appear, all you need to do is again go in that Xbox game bar option, and here we have the option for show all captures. So here you will see all the recordings that you have done, and you can just open them from here, and there you go. So if you have recorded it in MP4, or if your recorded voice recording is also there, it will be there. Otherwise you can just dub it out. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more such videos. Thank you.